These journalists usually compete against each other for breaking news, but today they face off on the soccer pitch in Harare. It is all part of a new initiative to end a polarized media environment. The Sports Day is set up by the non-profit Gender and Media Connect. Its national director, Patience Zrima, says she hopes sporting events like this one will reduce media polarization in Zimbabwe and improve the wellness of reporters.
This day is going to be very critical because we've seen media houses from across the divide coming together to organize this event. And I think this is just a way that the media can now be able to really come together, to network, and to be able to find common ground as they do their work.
One of those involved is Leopold Munhende, a senior reporter for the media outlet New Zimbabwe and the president of the Young Journalists Association of Zimbabwe. Munhende says he sees the same news events being reported on in totally different ways, but he says coming together in a relaxed manner could help change that.
We get to meet as journalists from different sides of the media industry, the publicly owned and the privately owned. We get to discuss the articles which we are writing, which are causing a lot of discussion.
Godfrey Maregere from the state-owned Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, which is seen as supportive of the ruling ZANU-PF party, also thinks the games are a good idea.
The games help to bring about teamwork, regardless of who you work for as journalists, as one team. Even when we return to work, disagreements and looking down on others will get less. Regardless of gender, we can play in one team, be it netball or soccer.
Another benefit, say organizers, is that the sports will improve the health of those taking part and help them ease stress. The government-appointed Zimbabwe Media Commission has been calling for an end to media polarization for the benefit of audiences. Godwin Piri, its executive secretary, says there are ways media can improve the situation.
Refuse to be spokespersons for politicians. Speak for the profession. When you find yourself parroting a political position ahead of your journalistic principles, then you already have a problem.
Piri says that when reporting is polarized, the more likely it is that audiences and advertisers could be driven away, causing media outlets to close. Columbus Mavhunga, VOA News, Harare, Zimbabwe.